When you think Mussoorie, you think paradise on earth. But this popular tourist hub, once covered in lush greenery, is turning into a jungle of an altogether kind, the concrete jungle. Take a look.
Mussoorie, the hill station that got its name from the forests of Mussoorie trees, is at a concrete dead end today. That's right, the hill station has lost most of its cover to heavy construction activity by builders. The damage to the environment is evident. Residents say they face severe water shortage and Mussoorie has stopped receiving snowfall.
पुराने लोग कहते थे कि पहले बर्फ राजपुर तक पड़ती थी। आज आलम यह है कि मसूरी के टॉप हिल्स में भी कुछ सेंटीमीटर ही बर्फ रह गई है। मतलब ये लगाइए एक तरह से नाम मात्र की रह गई है बर्फ।
I think most of the trees for the sake of buildings, have been cut and you find concrete everywhere. Trees are dying as a result of which the climate is affected. You have hardly any snowfall here. You have water problems because of this. And there's no proper sanitation in Mussoorie.
Residents not only miss the Mussoorie of the past, but they feel they have nothing to pass on to the next generation except a concrete jungle.
आज आदमी पैसा 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 भौतिकवाद के अंदर इतना ज्यादा घिर गया है कि उसको कुछ भी हो, हर तरफ से उसको जो है पैसा कमाने के चक्कर में वो अपना जमीन बेच, पेड़ काट और ये कर। यहाँ पर होता क्या है कि अक्सर 1-2 पेड़ काटने की परमिशन मिलती है और मान लिया 2 पेड़ काटने की परमिशन, वो चाहता है कि 10 पेड़ काट दूं मैं, लेकिन ये नहीं समझता कि मैं ऑक्सीजन की कितनी बड़ी फैक्ट्री को नुकसान पहुंचा रहा हूँ।
Mussoorie once boasted of 88 natural water sources. Now that number has been reduced to just 10. Unless the state acts to salvage the situation, the hill station will become just another figure in environmental disaster statistics. With Munis Ijlal in New Delhi, Akash Das Gupta for NDTV.